Hello everyone, taking these measurements of square cloth, fold it over diagonally and then cut it out in this triangular shape. Cut out the center of it as well, open it out and then this should be the fold. Fold downwards the top and then fold it outwards and there you should be left with the coat. After diagonally folding it over for the second time, cut it out in the center and then this is what you should be left with. You have a little Christmas cloak. Take this pink cloth, fold it over diagonally 2 times over and then make a cut in the center as such. After this, open it up and then cut it into half, add the bottom to it as well. Take a rectangular strip of cloth and then fold it over to make it meet in the center. Make this sharp U-cut. After this, make it meet in the center. Cut off the top strip diagonally, fold it into half and then make a small curve in the sides. Now take off one of the layers, put it side by side as such, opposite facing, and then add a waistband to the top to make a little pair of pants. After this, cut out and trace out the shape of your hand using this white chalk on the cloth and then reverse it and make another shape of this. Now stitch it together, reverse it once you are done and then add it around the hands. Take a rectangular cloth, fold it into half and then fold over the top edge to begin with. Make a curve at the bottom as well, open it out and then fold over 2 of the sides as such. In the side, at the top, add a little waistband and then buttons and you have yourself a skirt. Take a rectangular piece and then fold it in half and then trace out the shape of your hand and then cut it out on the piece of cloth as such. After you are done with this, taking the 2 layers, stitch it together. Now reverse it and then put your finger into it and then you should have yourself a glove. Make another pair as well. After this, take a rectangular strip of cloth and then fold it over 2 times, fold it over in a curve on one of the sides and then make a U or V shape cut on one of the other sides. After this, make another layer of it, stitch it together, reverse it and then fold it into half. Now you have yourself a beanie. Take a rectangular cloth piece and then make this cut out of it, that is this L-shaped cut. After this, open it up, make a cut in the center as well, cut out the top as well and then make a shirt out of it. Take this shaped cloth and then fold it over diagonally on either side to make it meet in the center, fold it up into half, cut out the top as such. Cut out the bottom as well, open it out and then you should have this fringe-like shape to it. Now fold it over 2 times and then make a square shape cut out of it. Cut out the sides and then cut out another layer of it as well. Open it out, stitch it together and there you have it. Thank you for watching.